She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Hi!
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone.
Hi guys, good morning. So today is Monday, April 11, 7:14, and ang time ko is 8 a.m. Alis ako ng mga 7:25 and magbabike muna ako, then magbabas. So yes, I'm currently working at Kentucky Fried Chicken, and I am blessed and grateful na tinanggap nila ako doon even though I am 22 years old na. So most of the employees there ay mga teenagers. Yun nga, sobrang grateful ako kay Ate Tatjana dahil in-accept niya ako doon. So maraming Filipina yung nagwo-work dun sa aking pinag-charge about
You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushed in against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that.
Hindi sisipunin for today's video. Lamig. Coffee. It's been 2 weeks. It's been 2 weeks since last ako nag-coffee. Dahil sobrang aga ko ngayon, kailangan ko ng energy booster. Kasi most of the time 11:30 yung time ko to 2:30. Bus 523, just waiting. 11:49 pa yung daan ng bus dahil hindi ako umabot sa 7:49 dahil hindi ako umabot sa ba yun? Sa 7:30. Sige, push mo yan.
I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I got it like that. Always had my own bag, never needed no man to rely on. Got 2 good shoulders to cry on. I was alright on my own till I fell, but it wasn't fake. And I couldn't tell at the time, but I was my own soulmate. It's like I forgot I was fine, let you treat me any kind of way. Now I'm free, you gotta celebrate. You couldn't see everything and stay. That I wasn't afraid to say, yeah. If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. Now I can't be attached to you.
Say hi. Hi.
Hello, nakablog siya. Say hi. I'm Erin. I'm the kitchen and Leo. Bye. Ayun nga, sabi niya sa bakla daw ako eh. Bakla daw ako, pero hindi naman, straight lang.
So don't come looking for me. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot but I have it. You was just in your habit, so I'ma disappear like magic. I'm that
bitch and I have it. You forgot, but I haven't. Now you wish that you had it. But all I gotta say back is,
If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. No, I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I was yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back. I took the road before. I like me better, I like me better, I like me better. I like me better, I like me better when I was yours.
Hi guys, I forgot my phone dun sa KFC. Right now is my 30-minute break because ilang hours na ba ako nag-work? I work at 8 a.m. and right now is 11 a.m. something, and I will eat lang. I have here my coffee and eat lang ako ng konti. Nag-sushi ako kanina dito sa food diary something. Just keep on watching kung gusto nyo makita or malaman kung ano pang mga nangyari sa araw na to.
Ran into you at the drugstore, you were picking up your prescription. It's funny cause I got addicted to you when we were in love. And even though you broke it off, I struggle with it like you were a bottle of pills. I wish I could give in to
I change my location. I'm right now here at KFC. And kakainin ko pa rin to dito. And I bought chicken and some chips. Kain po. Hi. Hot dog. Maasim po siya.
Masim po daw ito.
Maasim yung
Hindi ako masim.
I have Rika Dream. Hi guys, so I'm done working right now. It's 4:55, 4:30 ako lumabas and nag-sleepers ako para makahinga-hinga naman yung feet ko. So yan nga, bye KFC. I work 7 hours. I think 7 hours today or 8 hours. And magantay lang ako dito sa bus stop ng bus. Syempre bus, walang truck. Just keep on watching hanggang makauwi ako. Thank you, thank you, thank you. finally inside. I'm finally inside my suburb. Yes, ang dumi ng mask ko and I'm so dirty but proud. Work hard, work smart. Woo! Pinaghihirapan natin ng money. So yan nga, yan yung bike ko. Ulit. Uwi na ako ngayon and medyo malamig ngayon dito. Pero hindi naman umuulan. Kahapon, kagabi, umuulan. Oh, good. Feel natin yung fresh, cold air. By God's grace, sana makabili tayo ng car. By God's grace, and makapasa tayo sa nagagawa ko na sa driving test dito sa Australia para before May 30 sana, kasi May 30 na-expired yung license namin sa Philippines. Sana makapasa tayo by God's grace.